Let's talk about the working end of this all-new Quadtrac 715. Right here, the largest three-point hitch in the industry. This hitch will lift over 11-ton capacity. So if you had the biggest slurry applicator or you had the biggest ripper, 9/11 shank, this hitch is designed to power it and take it, especially behind a Quadtrac 715. This all-new hitch is Cat 4, can be converted to Cat 3 with a different top link through our parts department. Also, we want to talk about, we have 6 hydraulic remote valves available. This is the most popular. You can also get 8, either 1/2 inch or 3/4. And you can also get a Smart Tart pump option, which gives you a pump that reacts to hydraulic flow, and it gives you the extra power needed when you're not using all the hydraulics. You'll see that where you get 3 1/2 inch couplers and 3 3/4 inch couplers, so you can run your fans on your big air seeders separately from your hydraulic raise and lower. Again, with a Steiger tractor, you have more options, more feature, more hydraulics than the competition. We also give you the ability to go ahead and also be able to open and close these with self-cleaning covers. So as soon as you pull out the coupler, it'll come back closed, it'll wipe the opening clean, again, keeping that internal componentry clean and dust and dirt free. Easy to connect with the lever, up, down, pushes, pulls, disconnects, reconnects the hydraulic valves, or you can just push and pull. We still reserve that feature which we've always had in our Steiger tractors. This Cat 5 drawbar can be converted to a Cat 4. Comes standard with the Quadtrac 715, and we don't want you to forget what you don't find on other 4-wheel drive tractors in the industry is an auto pin hitch. This is our exclusive auto hitch pin drawbar. So if you have your implement and you're backing into it, 1-person hookup. You back up to your drawbar, your implement, it locks in, drops down, it all set, you're ready to go, get out of your tractor, hook up your hydraulics, and pull away. Again, 1 person, not 2. You got the visibility up under the hitch to see the drawbar. Very easy hookup, gives you that efficiency, that time saving, so you can roll on to your next job and your next application. Again, an exclusive for Quadtrac and Steiger tractors.